Unlocking the meaning. Switch the protocol. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have heard, switch the protocol. This expression can be quite versatile, and understanding it can really broaden your communication skills in English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned. Switch the protocol refers to changing the rules, methods, or procedure in a given situation. The word protocol here signifies the formal or official way of doing something, often agreed upon by a group, institution, or society. When we talk about switching it, we imply a significant change or adjustment in how things are usually done. This phrase can apply to various contexts, from technology and science to social interactions and workplace norms. This phrase is particularly useful in professional or formal contexts, where specific protocols are in place for tasks or interactions. For example, in a business meeting, suggesting to switch the protocol could mean changing the agenda, format, or the way decisions are made. It's a way to propose innovation or improvement in a process that may be outdated or inefficient. Example scenarios. 1. Technology. In tech, switching the protocol might refer to changing communication or data transfer methods for better efficiency or security. 2. Social. Socially, it could mean altering social norms or behaviors in a group setting to ensure more inclusivity or respect. 3. Workplace. In the workplace, it could involve updating guidelines or policies to adapt to new challenges or opportunities. To help you better understand how to use switch the protocol, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The team decided to switch the protocol for project reports to streamline the review process. 2. Given the new health guidelines, the school will switch the protocol for indoor events to ensure everyone's safety. 3. To address the recent cybersecurity threats, our IT department recommends we switch the protocol for remote access to our network. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its versatility and applicability in various contexts. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, switch the protocol. Understanding such expressions can significantly enhance your English communication skills, especially in professional settings. Remember, language is all about expression and adaptation, and phrases like this are key to navigating change effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!